Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Eggs are very important in my household. Between my boiled egg loving son to my creative cooking daughter and my high protein diet husband, we go through a lot of eggs in a week. And that's why I was so excited to get this 4-tier rolling egg holder from Aladdin. I absolutely love how much space it frees up in my refrigerator. Instead of stacking egg cartons on top of each other, this holder allows me to put up to 30 eggs in one small space and helps me to keep my refrigerator organized and clutter-free. To be honest, I was a little nervous to allow my eggs to roll, thinking that I'd have a huge mess to clean up afterward. But to my surprise, the eggs did not chip or crack at all. Some of the bigger eggs needed a little help maneuvering to the bottom, but overall it was very easy to load, and because it's made of a nice sturdy material, I was able to carry this egg holder back to the fridge full of eggs. Because we buy farm fresh eggs, we have eggs of every different size, color, and shape. All of the eggs fit in this egg holder, and even the really big ones sat nicely on top. As a bonus, this set comes with egg tongs to be used in many different ways. Whether you're boiling, beating, or washing your eggs, these tongs are durable and very useful around the kitchen. So if you're looking for a way to declutter and organize your refrigerator or countertop, I highly recommend this rolling egg holder from Aladdin.
And that's my point of view.